Grace Williams. You know about Danielle Breen and Holly Blansky in the all-around. Grace Williams always a threat as well.
Very strong tumbler. Shows us with a huge double pike. Nice landing.
William Shawn, also a first-team All-Big Ten superstar. He won the floor at Iowa early in this year with a career-high score of 9.925.
Second pass, front layout full. Getting some encouragement from her teammates and coach. Always love seeing that. Last pass. Giant round up against me, double back. Lands a little bit short, so has to jump forward. Overall, a solid routine.
Big cheer for the sophomore from Linden, Michigan, Brighton. Go to Austin Shepard. Second time